So we're up very early and now we're getting our stuff together and we're going to go to the park. It's Cadwell Park, so it's not too bad.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah. See what the crack is here.
Someone else sits behind them, someone else sits behind them. Before you know it, you're a whole big group going around the track together. The rest of you have never been on track before. Okay, how many of you have never been to this track before? Oh, okay.
So we got here a bit late, but we haven't missed the meeting, so it's all good. Intermediates are on now and we're up next, so yeah, a little bit nervous. Right, so that is it, the day's done. What an amazing day. I was quite nervous to start with. Each session that we had, a bit more confidence, got my suspension and my tyre pressure sorted out, and wow, what a day. Going round, there was a few people coming off here and there, and you know what, it was always in my mind, but I thought, you know what, it's a racetrack. If you come off, the bike slides a bit, it's got the protection on it, just roll with it, basically. So yeah, what a fun day. R&G protection gave me a lot more confidence on the track, so cheers guys. And yeah, I'm knackered, I'm absolutely knackered, so I'm gonna get back in my van and drive home and go to bed. So thanks very much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Oh, noisy bikers, terrible, aren't they? So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. Have you been here? Have you done Cadwell Park? Let me know what you think of the circuit.